Whoa, calm down, sir. Do you want me to call the police?
You're gonna call the police on somebody who's coughing?
Attacked by a fucking OVNI, man.
OVNI?
OVNI, O-V-N-I.
OVNI. What is... that's not... What is an OVNI? For fuck's sake!
Not the same for you.
Oh, he's over there, okay. He's down. I did it! I fucking did it! Oh my god! Chad, 3 fucking days in the making, it's finally fucking done! Oh my god, fucking finally!
Bean, you baked bean, motherfucker.
Stop calling me a fucking baked bean! Get cozy.
Oh my fucking god, what the hell happened to this Ellie? Ah!